Hey everybody, Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Kia in Auburn again. And I have some very special guests. Kelly, say hi.
Hi.
And her son, Jasek. What's up, buddy? Now you guys were out looking for a vehicle for not only Jasek when he can drive, but your daughter also, right?
Correct.
How was the experience?
Fabulous.
Tell me 2 things you liked about it.
You were entertaining and and it was a beautiful sunny day and we got to wear our sunglasses even though you didn't like it.
What about the vehicle?
And the vehicle.
So you came for the entertainment and we got to wear our sunglasses, but forget the car buying experience. It was a good experience, I hope.
Yes, it was.
Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life, 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage. Congratulations. And of course, the world famous Jasek, you're going to assist us. It's the Gong Show. So go right up here, my friend. On the count of 3, I want you to hit it hard, okay? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Congratulations. What's that?
It's like an ear piercing.
It's an ear piercing, that's right. Congratulations, guys. Give me a thumbs up.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Kelly Aragon. This is my son, Jasek. And we just experienced the Scott Tanner Sunset Experience.
Congratulations, you guys.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Keep it under 100. There you go. Bye.